Okay, good morning. Welcome to
MathyMath number 110.
MathyMath110. So we're working a little bit more, or reviewing a little bit more, exponents today. And this problem actually gave you a little bit of trouble because it's tedious, but I thought we'd go over it just for a good review. All right, how do you approach this problem?
Well, I'm just going to work out the top first. It's 8 to the 6/5 times 5 to the 9/5.
Okay.
And then we have over, well, I can say this is 2 to the 3/5. Actually, I'm going to say this is, since we have 8s, I'm going to say this is 8 to the 1/5.
All right.
It's 2 cubed.
Okay.
The whole thing to the 1/5.
All right. So you're going to change that to be 8 to the 1/5. Okay.
Times 1/5 to the 1/5.
Okay.
Well, we can flip this up, this part, which turns us into 8 to the 6/5 times 5 to the 9/5 times 5 to the 1/5 over 8 to the 1/5.
Okay.
Well, this cancels with this, and we get 8 to the 5/5, which is 8 to the 1.
All right.
And then this makes 5 to the 10/5, or 5 squared. So we get 8 times 5 squared, which is 8 times 25, which is 200.
Okay, yeah, that's good. That's actually a pretty interesting approach. And let me show you just an alternate approach that I would have used on this. I like your first step. Let's deal with the top and the bottom, except just to be different, I'm going to put this in, I'm going to turn this 8 into 2's. Okay? So this is 2 cubed, so this is 2 to the 6th, right?
Yeah.
All right. So this is 2 to the 6th to the 3/5 power, which is what?
Which is 2 to the 18/5.
2 to the 18/5 times 5 to the 9/5. And we can do that. And now I have 2 to the 3/5 on the bottom, which doesn't change things, times 5 to the minus 1/5. Okay, so I have to figure out this division problem here. What is our power rule when we divide?
Well, the power is subtract.
Okay.
So
2 to the 18/5 divided by 2 to the 3/5. What do you get?
you get 2 cubed. Or 2 to the 15/5.
2 to the 18 minus 3, which is 15/5, so I get 2 cubed. And what do I get for the 5's?
Well, you subtract -1, so you get 5 to the 10/5, or 5 squared.
2 squared times 5 squared. So you didn't need to change this to 1/5. You could use the same subtraction rule that we have already. 9/5 minus 1/5. And we get 2 cubed times 5 squared, which is 8 times 25, which is 200. Okay, so sometimes switching things over into fractions simplifies things, sometimes it doesn't simplify things, but our subtraction rules tell us that it's really nice to just have the same base because you can add, subtract, whatever you need to do. So I wanted to make sure you saw that. All right, good work this morning, friend.